Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select a membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. Saturday, April 17th, 1:46 p.m. New York time. Start off, we're looking at the equity indexes. The equity indexes, cash indexes, trade from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. New York time. We're looking at a 1-year duration, and each candle is 1 week. First, we'll look at the SPX, which is the S&P 500 index. Made a new high and closed green for the week. Strong like bull. It's in a trending, not in a consolidation. It's trending right now. NASDAQ 100 made a new high and closed green for the week. It's trending. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, new high, closed green for the week. It's trending. The Russell 2000, green for the week, is in a consolidation phase and did not make a new high. And it's much smaller trading range than the prior weeks. It's building a coil, and it's going to be a new trend when it breaks out of that coil. Which direction? We'll have to see. The Dow Jones Transports, new high, closed green for the week. It's trending. It closed nearly the same price that it opened at. That is suspicious. That is a dodgy candle. And because it's so small like that, it could be almost considered a spinning top. Yep, potential, neutral, reversal. Neutral meaning it might go into a consolidation and then break out one way or the other, or break out from here. Example, here are two more of these spinning tops, but they had bodies on them. This has even less of a body in the middle. So caution. The Dow Utilities, trending, green for the week. It did not make a new high. These four indexes, the NASDAQ 100, the Dow Jones, the Dow Transports, and the Dow Utilities, they make up the S&P 500. That means they are also inside the S&P 500. Learn that, understand that. The Russell 2000 is its own index. Note, the primary index, the go-to index that institutions and retail traders want to equal or outperform is the S&P 500. Many media outlets will give you market updates throughout the day. They will say the Dow Jones Industrial Average up or down for this day or this week. That's it. Some of them will include the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ, and that's it. You should be concerned of the S&P 500 along with the other index, but the S&P 500 as your go-to index of the breadth pulse of the market. Let's go on to the next. The S&P 500 sectors. There are 11 sectors in the S&P 500. And within each sector, there's multiple industries, but we're focused on the sectors. First, XLK, X-ray Lima Kilo. This sector makes up over 20% of the S&P 500. It's the technology sector. Green for the week, new high. It's trending. XLV, healthcare, makes up almost 15% of the S&P 500. New high. It's trending. XLF, it's the financials, makes up almost 14% of the S&P 500. New high for the year. It's trending. You looked at my past video I made the other day for financials. You saw which the leadership, where the strength was, which financials. Be concerned here. Small trading range, small body. May see a reversal soon coming into this. Very suspicious. XLY, consumer discretionary, makes up over 10% of the S&P 500. New high, close green for the week. It's trending. XLC, communication services, makes up almost 10% in the S&P 500. It made a yellow candle, inside bar, did not make a new high. It's in a consolidation. That means neutral, indecision. Means the high and low did not go above or below the prior trading range. Very suspicious, very considerate. XLI, industrials, new high, trending. XLP, consumer staples, new high, green for the week. It's trending. XLE, the energy, makes up about 6% in the S&P 500. Closed red for the week, made a lower low, lower high. It's in a consolidation. This is not leadership. XLU, utilities, makes up about 2.8% of the S&P 500. Green for the week, it's trending. XLRE, real estate, new high, green for the week, it's trending. XLB, materials, makes up about 2.5% of the S&P 500. New high, green for the week, it's trending. So note, most of them making new highs and trending. That's good. That's a good, strong market. First, we saw the index, Russell 2000, is struggling. Okay. Next, let's look at the Faang. Have you heard of Faang? Do you know what Faang is? Faang, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google, Plus, Tesla, blah, blah. Yeah. They're the most popular stocks, most widely traded percentage-wise in the market. I mean, many institutions own them, many institutions trade them, and they make up a big percentage weighted in the NASDAQ 100. So when they move, they can move the markets almost by themselves briefly. First, we'll look at Apple. Green for the week. It is not an all-time high, way off its high. Smaller trading range, but it's trending, but it's struggling. Microsoft, new high, trending, strong like bull, good leadership. Amazon, green for the week, it's trending. It is not at all-time highs for this year. See that yellow horizontal line? That represents the high this year. It's not there. See the yellow horizontal line up here? That represents the high of last year. We are not there. Amazon is not current leadership. Facebook, inside candle. We are not at highs. That was last week. It's in a consolidation. Google, new high, green for the week, leadership, trending. Tesla, green for the week, broke above this consolidation, starting a trend. Didn't close at the high, closed almost, but above midpoint. But it's not at the high of the year. It's not current leadership. November, Victor Delta Alpha. New high, green for the week, huge move up. Yeah. Finally took out the high of this year. It's leadership. Netflix, red for the week, closed inside the prior range, in a consolidation still, not even at the high of this year. Not doing much better than many. Oh yeah, it's struggling. Bravo Alpha, green for the week, gapped up for the week, took out the high of this consolidation, back inside, yeah, near close, near the low of the week. It's also not above the high this year. That's this yellow horizontal line, nor did it take out the high of last year yet. It's struggling. It's not leadership. So the takeaway is, you saw the equity indexes. We know where the leadership is, which indexes. We saw the sectors. We know where the leadership is and what's struggling. And looking at these most popular stocks, you see many of them are not at all-time highs, nor much consider as trending. So what does that mean? You'd be better off the good stock ETFs indexes that I just showed you, either in the equity indexes or the stock ETFs for leadership. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video, and please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal link. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.